tradition. Nakubwira yuko abantu bahisemo guteka naho turi numero ntabumwe uzi yuko mbona nawe imyaka myinshi turakorana kandi byarabishije mu buryo bwo gufasha igisoro cyacu. None Mr. President urakoze kuza ahari hadusaba gusigira ariko ndagusize ndakubwira yuko tuzaguhirana n'ijana. Hariya dufite Bishop Kadima nagiye mu cyakiye yepfara challenge ni mutaho turi kuganiriza kuri mikoro ngeze aho ndabasezeranya yuko ntigera uyu mukoro nzamakura abonane na President akoze Mr. President.
Honorable Mama Alex, Vice Chairperson, NRM, also Vice Chairperson, Soro District Local Government. Your Excellency, before you, here is the memorandum of Soro District Local Government. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, the Central Executive Committee members, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, Resident District Commissioner, Head of Religious and Civil Society Institutions, distinguished invited guests. Your Excellency, on behalf of the people of Exolo, the NRM Executive Committee, the Roman NRM Committee, on behalf of the, I beg your pardon, the Roman NRM Committees, and on my own behalf, let me take this singular honor and opportunity to welcome you to the Soro District Government. You are most welcome. The people of Kisoro are basically NRM, although a few of them are being ruled by the opposition and are fighting tooth and nail to make sure we maintain our Ijana principle. Your Excellency, we want to thank you for your exemplary leadership, from which the people of Uganda and Kisoro in particular have benefited a lot. A few examples which the NRM government has achieved under your stewardship include: 1. Peace and security. 2. Production department. Parish development model. Your Excellency, Kisoro District Local Government has already disbursed 20 billion to 20,000 subsistence households. Lives have been transformed, especially under onions and dairy enterprises. E.g., Sekanaba Amos of Ruchane Village, Gitene Parish, Nyarusisa Sabo County, got 1 million from Parish Developing Fund. Invested in onions, he also got 20 million, but built, I beg your pardon. Sekanaba Amos from Ruchane Village, Gitene Parish, Nyarusisa Sabo County, got 1 million from Parish Developing Fund. Invested in onions, he got 20 million, built a permanent house. Paid school fees and invested in union growing. Neretagati from the same area got 1 million from Parish Developing Fund. Invested in onion growing, got 10 million, built a house and invested in onion growing. Another Afasha Moses of Tunu Village, Karami Parish, Nyamoy Sabo County, got Parish Developing Fund of 1 million. He bought 1 cow and now has 3 cows. B. Water for production. Microscale irrigation under my leave, 37 projects have been implemented in Satini local government, covering 97.6 acres at a total project cost of 835,146,190. Small scale irrigation, one project under Ministry of Water and Environment has been implemented in Nyakina Masabo Kaunti covering 10 acres at a project cost 420 million. Irrigation project include vegetables, fruits, coffee, fish ponds and pastures, food security and income of smallholder farmers have been also boosted. This has greatly improved the people's standards of living. 3. Community-based services underway. From the time we started the financial year 2015-2026 to date, financial year 2015-2026 to date, 225 groups have been started and supported with funds worth 1,384,120,500. Youth Referral Program. From the time we started to date, the total number of beneficiaries From the time we started today, the total number of beneficiaries today is 2,617. The 1,343 males and 1,276 females, they have been supported with funds worth 1,843,219,500. 4. Commercial services. 78 Inuka have been formed, bringing together 24,731 individuals and 115 parish-based associations. These circles have received 3.84 billion from government and 680.02 million have been mobilized as saving by members and all of them hold annual general meetings. Bukumira North Area, which started in 2021 with 05 association with 116 members is engaged in maize processing. They have received 90 million as seed capital from government through the microfinance support center. They have invested in 3 million machines and added various food processing and packaging maize flour, which has created employment opportunities for 10 youth, 2 machines, operators and 8 casual workers. This has led to access to affordable credit, improved livelihood, diversified enterprises, and improved income. Capital project. Construction of General Road at Chihe necessary was 246,024,300. Construction of a patient's ward at Kafuta necessary Nyaruye. Request for your intervention in the matter of appointment of Professor Anthony Mugisha as Deputy Vice Chancellor, Finance and Administration, Makerere University. Your Excellency, our own Professor Anthony Mugisha, the former Dean of School of Veterinary Medicine and Animal Resources at Makerere University, and an supporter of Area Government born from Kako Village, Muramasabo Kaunti, Exoro District, competed for a position of Deputy Vice Chancellor, Finance and Administration at Makerere University, and won at the first stages of interviews, and was recommended by Senator to the University Council for approval and appointment by the Chancellor in May 2024, according to the University and other Tertiary Institution Act 2001 as amended today. Professor Mugisha has been denied the appointment and employment with no reason. Your Excellency, it is highly probable that Professor Mugisha Anson is being denied this because of his from here a reason for marginalization for Your Excellency, we kindly request for your intervention so that justice is done to him and as Bafumbira. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. The road of Bafumbira Kifatanya Serving and Creating Cooperative Society Limited and request to support establishment and strategic vertically integrated agro-industrialization and finance ecosystem in its district. Your Excellency, we extend our deep appreciation for the tremendous guided by Vice Chairperson that we will have a copy, but there is a serious project here which we need Bafumbira to know, and you also yourself, so that those projects can get intervention from you. So he has stopped me. The ratio of Bafumbira Kifatanya Saving and Credit Cooperative Society and request for support to establish a strategic vertically integrated agro-industrialization and financial ecosystem in the Kisoro district. Your Excellency, you read this through, you will get to know more about this Kifatanya. Your Excellency, the people of Kisoro are requesting you to address the following. Your Excellency, need opening for the border between Uganda and DRC. You pledged supporting Murora Sabukaune as a model village since it had emerged the best in the last 2021 presidential general election in Kigezi. B. The construction of Matipu Market in Kisoro municipality, which made the project to construct roads in Kisoro municipality, Garbage Turaka you promised Kisoro municipality, a pledge of 500 million shillings to Kisoro district enterprise development cooperative societies in 2013. Chanika business community roast commodities was 762,300,000 during the time when the border with Rwanda was crossed. Your Excellency, we thank you for all the support that you have rendered to Kisoro district local government, and you have all the people support. May God bless you. I presented this document on behalf of Dr. Philemon Mateje, who is our chairperson. Thank you, Your Excellency.